now understand how we can solve linear system with the help of a Numpy library and with the help of Scipy library. Numpy library is used for mathematical operation and Scipy library is also used for mathematical operations but more complex mathematical operations. So we will start doing that by importing our libraries. We will start by Numpy. We will start Numpy as import Numpy as np, and we don't want our whole Scipy library. We only want alg, which is linear algebra, from our Scipy library. So we will say from Scipy import alg. This will import linear algebra library from Scipy library to our program. After that, let's make a variable. Let's say num array, which will be equal to np.array. This will make an array, and np stands for numpy here, and these are some random values which I am providing in parentheses and square brackets. After doing that, we will say numpy arg value. This is a variable name for another array. Again, we will assign this variable to np, which is numpy.array, and this is some random value which I am providing. After executing that, all we have to do is say alg, which is our library from Scipy, dot solve, and we will provide our both of the variable in which we have stored our data between the parentheses, and it will solve our linear system. And that's how we solve linear system by using Numpy and Scipy libraries.